Hi, Bill Jones from Turntastic Wood Designs. I'm going to be making a cabinet for my sister-in-law, and I'm trying to match a cabinet that she already has. It's an antique cabinet. She's had it for a long time. It's white oak and it's very old. And in trying to match that, matching the shape and the style is not the problem. It's matching the color of the wood or getting close to the color that's a problem, because it's really hard to match a patina. And I'm going to try a couple of methods today. I'm going to experiment with a couple of methods to age wood to make it look like it's much older than it is. And to that end, I cut these about a half a dozen little chunks of ash here, because it's what I had laying around that was close to white oak. And I'm going to try a couple of methods. The first method is I bought a product that is supposed to be really simple to use, that is made for this exact purpose. And it's just a powder that you buy, and you stir it up in water. And then you just spread it on like paint, and it's supposed to add patina as it dries. So I'm going to put some of that on this piece. Initially, it doesn't look like it's doing a thing, but we'll see. Give it a little time to dry and see what happens. All right, that's that method. The other method I'm going to try is ammonia fuming. And that's an interesting idea to me. I've heard that works really well. I'm going to take a little ammonia and put it in this cup. And the idea is the ammonia fumes will age the wood. And you need to contain the fumes. So if it's a larger piece, you might need to make a tent out of plastic or something. But because I'm experimenting, I'm just using an old bucket. When you're working with ammonia, make sure to wear a respirator, because that stuff gets nasty. So I'm going to put on my respirator, pour a little ammonia in here, put a couple of these pieces of wood in the bucket and close it up, and then just wait. Okay, now it's a waiting game. I've got those sealed up. I'll wait a few hours and we'll see what happens. Well, I don't know if my camera and lighting is good enough to really see this well on the video. I hope it is. But it did work. It worked quite well for what I wanted to do. I've got two distinct things going on here, though. This is my control piece. I didn't do anything to it, so that's what I started with. And this piece I put the juice on. I think it's a product called Pioneer Wood. I picked it up at Rockler. And this piece was ammonia fumed. And they do two different things. The Pioneer Wood actually gives the appearance that the piece of wood has been outside for a long time. It gives a weathered look like it's been exposed to the elements. Where the ammonia fuming is actually more what I was trying to do. It actually ages a wood, gives it that appearance of years and years of oxidation. Now, it's a little hard to see on ash, and it might be a little hard to see on the video here, but it really did darken that wood quite a bit, and which is just what I'm looking for. And once I go, ash is what I had laying around, and I'm going to be using white oak on the project that I have upcoming. So once I go with white oak, I will probably do this ammonia fuming. I did the fuming for about 48 hours, but I'll make the piece in its entirety. It's a big cabinet I'm going to be making, and then I'll build a tent of some kind around it out of plastic and put lots of bowls of ammonia around it and let those fumes age that, and then see if that helps with matching the color. But that is a couple of methods of aging wood. One, ammonia fuming, and two, Pioneer Wood. Well, I hope this information was helpful to you and useful. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and share with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out. And as always, thanks for watching.